mating call? This your mating call? You mating calling? You see hoes? Is bird hoes around? I'm trying to call the my nigga sending that mass text.
Currensy always gives the best animal commentary, but he's actually right. This is what this bird is doing. He's doing a little mating call. Okay, he's looking for the hoes, as Currensy said. He's hilarious. Happy 420. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on all social media and podcasting platforms. Love yourself, one another, your pets, and animals. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.